I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but look at this. This is looking complicated. What? Okay. Control S. Saving. This is something random I just made. So this might be one of those lucky videos that turn out really good, or I'm not gonna upload it. But right now I seem to have a little bit of inspiration, and it's just 4 notes. Whee! So the notes I'm thinking of, it goes like this. Na, 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 na. Those 4. And I actually want to make them a little bit slow, but make them really expressive somehow, you know? Silent 1, what else? Alright. That's very interesting to play, actually. Let's close the window. Alright, so there we have it, the notes. Now, since I want to make this some kind of anthem chord sound, let's make use of less is more. So, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba. Yeah, let's do some kick drops and let's make the melody or the notes come up. We might have to make some custom presets for this. So I actually didn't really do much, except I made it twice as long and added some bass notes and some spaces. Now it's starting to get interesting. It's actually not a bad example of how to make a melody. I could actually label this video as tutorial. I separated the bass line and the melody line into 2 silent ones. They are both just the ended saw. However, I enabled legato to, well, basically keep the notes as long as possible, but modulate them instead of chopping to a different note. And now I got something like this. I'm starting to feel this. It sounds very familiar. Oh, Fortuna or something. But I don't care. It's a fun tutorial, you know. I'm not stealing it consciously. Again, it's still a saw, but I just did this little thing right here. So it's the bass note, but 1 octave higher in the lead. And with a little bit of legato, as you can see. This is very powerful. I'm actually not even sure anymore what I'm doing. I'm just going on automatic pilot. So I linked the pitch bend to this automation clip. A little bit like colors. Yeah, let's play it. There's really a swing to it now. I really don't know what's happening. This might actually be some raw inspiration. Raw. So I did 2 pitch bends to the bass and I discovered something else. So this is how it sounds right now. And then I was like, hey, let's do the bass a bit shorter too. Way more impact, right? Again, less is more, I guess. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but look at this. This is looking complicated. What? Okay. let's see where this goes. Yeah, I might be striking gold and I'm recording the progress. This, okay, I'm excited. Damn, just hear this. I'm not even halfway. Okay, so if you're not convinced yet, let's maybe do some tactical choirs. Oh, that already sounds great. Tactical choirs. Yeah, now I'm really getting excited. Just hear this. Sound 1 again. Sketch for the choirs. Yeah. This is like when you hit your head at that one spot, you always hit your head. Jesus, just clicking the distortion, trying bitchez. Man, this changes things. So now I kinda added another layer and they go really well. And the second layer has a lot of delay. That's the first one, and this is the second one. Which is weird, but together they sound really cool. So this is fun. Basically made a little rhythm right here for some drums. These are custom-made drums, but I might replace them with my own. And then just a smart delay setting, and you get this. I have never done this before. Yeah, so at this point I'm actually really having fun. Yeah, this is actually becoming something usable. So I just did 2 choirs. We have the woman choir. Yeah, and then we have men. And I changed the melody to a bit to something that sounds more like, well, more manly. And together with the drums, you get this. This is without the leads. And then with the leads, it gets really interesting. I'm thinking the next thing we need is gonna be a church organ. And this is actually starting to become unbelievable. So this is the lead sound once again, but together with a chord layer right here, it becomes really dynamic. I think we're gonna need one more lead that's really strong in the middle. So when I play this and I go to mono, you will hear a big volume loss, right? So we need something in the middle, so the volume loss is not that big, because the lead should be the most important thing, I guess, in your melody. So it should be on top. Man, I think this is my best tutorial end result ever. Yeah, so right now it's pretty much all unmixed except for a couple of things. I'm just gonna mix it until it sounds very awesome and clean, maybe. Now, I didn't really do much with the mixing, actually. I believe this is a fine end result for now, and I should really stop working on it, because I might actually ruin it. So, Ctrl S, saving. This is something random I just made.